Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. As you know, my name is Pallavi Chaudhary, currently studying my BE degree in CSE Cybersecurity from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I am allotted a topic of inserting an element in an array in C. So welcome to this presentation on how to insert an element in an array. It is a simple task but there are various processes. So let's go ahead. Now, before we discuss inserting an element, it's important to understand the concept of output in C. When working with arrays, output refers to the display of the data on the screen. Proper output formatting is necessary for readability and usability. So the introduction of the arrays, arrays definition, why arrays matters, and the syntax of the array. Definition: an array is the collection of similar data elements stored in the contiguous memory locations. It's one of the most fundamental data structure in C programming. Why array matters? Using array allows you to store and manipulate lots of data in one place. They are used to many algorithms and applications. The syntax of the array. To create an array in C, you define the type of data you want to store, followed by the number of elements in the array. For example, int myArray and the number of elements is 5 would create the array of 5 integers. Now our another topic is the overview of arrays in C. First we will see structure of an array in C. In C, an array is a contiguous block of memory. Elements are accessed through an index which starts at 0. Next is the array indexing. To access an element in an array, you use the square bracket notation followed by the index. For example, my array square bracket 3 would access the fourth element in the array. Third overview is the multi-dimensional array. In addition to the one-dimensional arrays, C can also handle multi-dimensional arrays. These allow you to group data in table-like format. Our another topic is types of an array. There are three types of array: one-dimensional, two-dimensional, and multi-dimensional. In one-dimensional, the most basic type of an array, data is stored in a single row of elements. Two-dimensional, the table-like structure will store the data in the rows and columns. Next, last is the multi-dimensional. Arrays with more than two dimensions. Data is stored in cubes or higher order shapes. Now our main topic is process of inserting an element in an array. So step 1. Determine the element to be inserted. The first step is to determine the data you want to insert into the array. This can be number, text or any type of the data. Step 2. Identify the position of the element. Next, you need to identify the position in the array where you want to insert the element. This is typically done by the specifying the index of the element. Third step is shift element to the right. If the position to the insert the element is not the last element into the array, you need to shift existing element to the right to make room for the new element. Last step is insert the element. Finally, you can insert the new element into the array as the desired position. The coding part of the insertion of elements in an array. Before insertion, after insertion. Here is one example. For example, index is the 0, 1, 2 and 3. The second index is empty. After insertion, the second index is inserted by the value of 25. Finally, the conclusion of our topic is inserting an element into an array in C is a skill where programmers should have. With the right understanding and practice, you will be able to manipulate large amount of data effectively and efficiently. So I want to thank you everyone for taking the time to learn about inserting elements in an array in C. We hope you found this presentation useful and informative.